Don't be afraid. Pick up the phone and call. Stay tuned to hear some tips and tricks to help you do this. Let's get started. Here's a list of several useful tips and tricks when you're making phone calls to your clients. A complete detailed list will be provided to you in the description box. Here we go. It can't hurt you. It can't bite you. You control it. You use it all the time. What is this? This is your phone. It's important that you pick up the phone and call as often as you can and answer the phone as much as you can, and never let your phone go to voicemail if you can avoid it. Next, smile, just like I'm doing now. Your client on the other end does not know that you're smiling, but trust me, they will sense your emotions coming from the other end when you smile when you're talking to them on the phone. You'll hear this in a lot of training classes where trainers will suggest that you have the mirror in front of you. I don't think that's necessary, but definitely smile when you're calling your clients. Next, focus on your calling your clients in the morning and at the end of the day. Hit the hours between 8 and 11 and 3 to 6. This is the higher probability that you're going to reach somebody. The other times of the day, focus on non-income producing tasks. Next, it's never a numbers game. You'll hear this from trainers consistently. If you make 50 calls, you'll talk to 5 people, you'll have 3 appointments, and then you'll sell 1 house. That's not how it works in reality. I'd much rather make 10 calls and have 3 quality conversations than 50 calls and leave 20 messages and never talk to somebody. The robo-dialing and the mass dialing just does not work. It's important in our business to build rapport and relationships with your clients. Next, always call from your cell phone. You never want to call from your office number, as if your clients call you back during non-business hours, you may miss an important call from your client. Next, turn off your email and your text notifications while you're making your calls. You don't want to be distracted during your calling block time frame, so you can be driven and focused to reach quality clients. You can always take 2 to 3 minute breaks, scan through your emails, and respond to the critical ones. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. For more free real estate tips, simply follow me on my YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram accounts. Once again, this is Ken Mucha, Principal Broker, Team Bertola High Desert Realty, coming to you from Bend, Oregon. Have a wonderful day.